I just saw my cat walking with a live. What is that? Oh, Miss Kitty, what is that anyways? Oh my God, my fourth cat. Oh my God. Miss Kitty. Ew. Ew, it's coming near me. Ew, look how close it is to me. Hit him with the mini frying pan. Grab him. No, grab it. I thought it was just a stick. But I think that's a full-on bee. Miss Kitty, get the bee. That's a bee. Mom, Miss Kitty just grabbed a bee and walked in here. Ah! Is that a bee? That's a bee. Hit it with the frying pan. Hey. This is my sassy girl. Am I zoomed in? Oh my God, it's coming. Mom! This kitty brought a bee. No, don't just leave it. You caught it. Bring it out of here. Do I need to get the frying pan or something? Mom, grab me the mini frying pan. Okay, do I have something on my desk to throw at her? Daddy, get her here. Where is that cat? It's flying. It went over there. Is it alive? Someone used my desk. No. Don't touch my desk! God. I need to put my stuff back. Because someone actually cut some paper up and nobody is allowed to touch my desk. It's my desk. Where's that meat with that? Anyway. Ew! Where's it? It's right there. Ew.